Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm not DIYing, I'm not hauling, and I'm not decorating. I'm going to share with you Dollar Tree high-end Christmas dupes. As I've been browsing what Dollar Tree is carrying for Christmas this year, I'm noticing that I have seen a lot of these items for a lot more money at other places. And so I want to show you some things that you can buy at Dollar Tree and skip out on at the other higher end stores. Of course, since everything is just $1 at Dollar Tree, we're not going to be duping any really large scale pieces, but I'm going to show you what I found at the other stores that you can just skip on and buy at Dollar Tree instead and save a little bit of money. We'll go store by store and we'll start off with the largest item that I can dupe for you guys. Obviously, this is not an exact dupe, but look at how similar these two are, especially the white one in the background. They both have that planked look, the galvanized metal, the whitewash appearance, and the Dollar Tree version I have not seen in stores. Let me know if you have, but it's of course $1, and the Kirklands version is $13. So what a steal to get this from Dollar Tree instead. Next from Kirklands is this really large plaid bow. The Kirklands version is $20 while the Dollar Tree version is $1. And Kirklands is a little bit bigger, but even with that being the case, you could easily just buy some Dollar Tree ribbon and make this yourself for $2 to $3. So I would definitely skip out on this at Kirklands. Now we're going to move on to a lot of people's favorite store, Gallerie. And Gallerie carries these silver tea lights. You get 4 for $10, but you can get 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree, and they are nearly identical. The only difference is that the Gallerie flame is a little bit longer. And Dollar Tree also carries a glitter version that is similar as well, and I think even cuter, so definitely look for those at Dollar Tree instead. Next from Gallerie are these glittered branches. You get 3 for $36. Now, I bet they are quite a bit longer than the Dollar Tree version, but Dollar Tree came out with these new glitter branches this year. They're different than the ones they had before, and they have beautiful chunky glitter on them, and they look like a Gallerie item. I would much prefer to go with the shorter size for a lot less money. Let me know if you agree. Another holiday item that Gallerie carries is this bird, and Dollar Tree has some similar birds. They're not the exact same, but they have that long pretty tail and the glitter on it that kind of resemble the Gallerie version. The Gallerie one is $5 and it only has a 1-star review on the website, so why would you purchase that when you can get a Dollar Tree one for just $1? And I've always felt like the Dollar Tree ornaments on the right resemble something from Gallerie. While they are not the same, they do look very similar to these two ornaments that Gallerie is carrying right now on their website. And Dollar Tree has these faux mercury glass ornaments that are so similar to the Gallerie Elise ornament for $8 on the left. The only difference is that the Dollar Tree ones are plastic, which I prefer. The only thing with them is they are motion censored, so they light up and they play music when motion sets them off, but I'm sure there's a way to deactivate that. And I think they are absolutely stunning, and I love that they're carried in a few different colors to fit everybody's color scheme. So I will definitely be picking some of these up from Dollar Tree this year. Gallerie also has these deer ornaments in white and champagne, and they range between $12 and $15. Dollar Tree also carries white glitter and champagne glitter deer ornaments in a few different versions, and I know that this version here you get 2 for $1, so that is a fantastic deal. Now moving on to my personal favorite home decor store, which is Pottery Barn. There aren't a lot of dupes from Pottery Barn. I just feel like Pottery Barn is in a league of its own, but I did find these star votive holders for $30 from Pottery Barn, and I noticed that Dollar Tree has these metallic gold and silver snowflake tea light holders for obviously $1. They're not the same, they're different sizes and shapes, but I kind of like the Dollar Tree version better. It's a little bit more wintry, and I just think they're really beautiful items to pay just $1 for. Okay, I will admit this one is a little bit of a stretch, but Pottery Barn carries this set of 4 Santa mugs for $38, and Dollar Tree has a version of a Santa mug. It's a lot more playful, a lot less vintage looking, but nonetheless similar. So if you're on the hunt for a Santa mug, there are some at Dollar Tree. And last, from Pottery Barn, I saw they have these star string lights, and I have purchased these from Dollar Tree before. They're really nice, really pretty. Of course, the strand is a little bit shorter from Dollar Tree, but you can just buy doubles or triples to get the same length. And these are ridiculously expensive at Pottery Barn. They're between $20 and $30 depending on the length. No thank you. I will take my Dollar Tree string lights any day over those. Okay, now we're heading over to Pier 1, and they have these angel wing ornaments for $3.99 that are so similar to these angel wing ornaments from Dollar Tree that I hauled last year. That's a photo from my haul video, and I have a little bit of store footage as well. They are back this year, and they have a little bit of fur in the front, and they're very similar. Also, Pier 1 has these snowflake ornaments on the left. You get a set for $8, and they are extremely similar to these ones on the right from Dollar Tree that I picked up last year. I really like those ornaments, but the Pier 1 version also reminds me of these snowflake ornaments from Dollar Tree, which are some of my favorite. They are absolutely stunning. Trust me, don't waste your money on Pier 1. Get these from Dollar Tree. They are stunning. Pier 1 also has this adorable fuzzy owl ornament on the left for $4, and Dollar Tree has similar owl ornaments on the right. You can see there's a few different versions for $1 a piece. When I'm decorating my tree, I like to buy multiples of ornaments, and my budget wouldn't allow me probably to buy as many of the Pier 1 versions, so I think the Dollar Tree option is great, although I will admit the Pier 1 owl is so stinking cute with all of that fuzz. And just like Pottery Barn, Pier 1 also has a set of string lights that can be duped by a Dollar Tree string light. So these little Christmas trees are $6 at Pier 1, and of course the strand is probably longer, but buy 2 or 3 at Dollar Tree and you will get the exact same thing. Now at Big Lots, they carry these really pretty glitter and mirror ornaments that are pretty much identical to the Dollar Tree version. You will save $1 at Dollar Tree with these. Both Big Lots and Dollar Tree are carrying this truck ornament. They are so similar, and the Big Lots version costs $6 for 3, making them $2 a piece when, of course, they're $1 at Dollar Tree. And last but not least, from Big Lots, they carry the exact same blingy large snowflake ornaments as Dollar Tree. You technically get them for the same price. You get 6 for $6, but if you want to mix and match your colors or buy less than 6, then Dollar Tree is your best bet because you buy them individually, and there is a white version and a silver version. I'm sure there are tons and tons of Dollar Tree dupes for Walmart items, but this one is my favorite. These string light necklaces cost $10, well $11 basically at Walmart, and you can find them for like $5 or $6 at the grocery store, but Dollar Tree is the best place to get them. They're just $1, and they are so fun for holiday parties and events. I picked these up last year. I will pick them up again this year and for as many years as Dollar Tree carries them. A lot of people probably hesitate to look at Nordstrom for Christmas decor because it's notoriously expensive, although it is one of my favorite stores. But they have this agate ornament that they're selling for $12, and Dollar Tree has these agate wall hooks that you could just pop the hook off of and string a piece of string through and use as an ornament if you like this style. Nordstrom is also selling this beautiful clear glass ornament with the pine needles and the snow in it for $12. This is so easy to make with these crafter square plastic ornaments from Dollar Tree. Plus, they won't break if they fall off the tree. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Definitely go the Dollar Tree route. I wasn't going to dupe anything from Etsy just because most pieces from Etsy are deserving of their high price tag, but Dollar Tree has this little truck mug, and I couldn't find one at any of the other higher end stores online, although I know that I've seen it at Big Lots for $4 or $5. So I did want to show you that this mug is going to be available at Dollar Tree this year, and you'll probably see it at all of the higher end stores, but definitely get it at Dollar Tree. So those are all of the Dollar Tree dupes that I have to share with you for now. If you liked this video and want to see another one, let me know and I will certainly make that for you. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Christmas videos, and I hope to see you back in a future one. Bye guys.